If your Kia Sportage won't start, don't panic. We can narrow down the cause in just a few minutes. Surprisingly, over 70% of no-start issues in modern SUVs are caused by a weak or disconnected battery. Let us break down the systematic approach to finding your specific electrical failure. Start by checking the battery terminals for corrosion and verify that your dashboard lights are glowing brightly. Beyond the battery, check the main fuse box for blown fuses or look for an immobilizer light on your dash. If the engine cranks but won't catch, your problem might be a faulty fuel pump relay or a bad sensor. Try a jump start or a new key fob battery before you call for a tow to the repair shop. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the component, with batteries being the most budget-friendly fix. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD-I scanner to pull codes and a multimeter to check your battery voltage levels. Keep a basic toolkit including a scanner and multimeter in your Sportage to handle most roadside electrical issues. Remember that a persistent check engine light is often a warning of a failing sensor before the vehicle actually dies. If these steps didn't solve your issue, consult a professional technician for a deeper electrical inspection.